guys, this is just one guy and I'm back here with my Mistborn project, and as you can see I've added a fourth metal, which is bronze. I really got to clean up this UI later on, but bronze is kind of complicated to understand if you haven't read the books. Essentially it allows you to sense allomancy, which is the magic in the books. Now the way it does this is kind of weird because you can't really see or hear it, you kind of sense it. And what they do is they sense these waves, and depending on the type of metal you're using, the wave is different. The length of the wave is different, and the pattern of it's different. Now, as pattern, they don't really describe it in the books, so I've chosen to interpret that as color. So I've made the physical pattern blue and mental pattern red. And also, whether it's pulling inward or pushing outward is depending on the type of metal you're using. Now, I'm just going to click start and show you. Right now, I have the enemy character using 10. Now, the character can't actually use the magic right now. That's something I'm going to put in the next video. But right now, you can just detect him using which type of allomancy he's using. And go right here. You can see if I hit the button, you see a large blue wave pulling inward. And that's basically how 10 is described in the books, except for the color, because they just say physical pattern, and that's the way I've chosen to interpret it. Now, if you put on 10, you can also see the sound wave, and it makes the wave look a little more colorful. Now, if I have them burn something like pewter, you can see how it changes the wave. It's actually two waves now. One small blue one and one large blue one. Let me just pause it for a second and turn off 10. You can see it better. And that's still, and you can see still has the opposite of pushing away, but it's still blue. Now if I use bronze, you can see the color change. And you can detect them all at the same time, although that gets a bit confusing. But it allows you to tell what type of magic your enemy is using, as described in the books. And you can turn it off and turn it back on. I thought it was pretty cool. It took me a bit of a while because each wave is for each type of magic is described as working in a certain type of way, which I had to look up. But in the next video, I'm going to work on actually getting the AI to use allomancy. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.